I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to move the Microsoft Authenticator app. Start on your old phone first. Open Authenticator and make sure backups are enabled. This saves your accounts to your Microsoft account. Once done, confirm you can sign into that Microsoft account. This is how the app restores on the new device. Make sure both phones have Wi-Fi and sufficient battery, then install Microsoft Authenticator on the new phone so you're prepared to restore from backup. On the new phone, launch Microsoft Authenticator and sign in with the same Microsoft account used for backup. When prompted, choose the Cloud Backup Restore. The app will download your saved account entries. Wait until the restore finishes, then open each restored account entry to confirm one-time codes generate correctly. If any account requires re-verification, use the account provider's fallback, email or SMS, to relink that service. This step ensures all 2FA tokens are active on your new device. Confirm every account on the new phone works before wiping the old device. Don't remove the app from the old phone until you test logins. Once satisfied, sign out and uninstall or factory reset the old phone for security. If a specific account didn't restore, use the provider's account recovery to reconfigure MFA or scan a new QR code. This usually fixes token mismatches. If you still have trouble, contact the service provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.